You can download Python using two ways. There are two methods to download Python. Either from python.org, this is the official website of Python. You click on download and download your version. Latest version is 3.11.1. Or the other way, another way is by using download from Microsoft Store. So just search for Python and download it. There are no preference where to download Python, either from the official website or from the Microsoft Store. But if they have latest or recent update to their version, they will deploy to this site first. Okay, after download Python, so it's like we have the car, a very nice car, a beautiful body, but now we don't have the engine. So we need to have the engine. So we need to download the IDE, our Integrated Development Environment. For this lesson, for our lesson, we will learn using Visual Studio Code. Why? Because it is free and you can download for Windows. And I am using Windows, so our lesson will all about Windows. You can download Visual Studio Code and download all those add-ons. Why I like Visual Studio Code? Because it is not specific for any programming language. You can use it for Python, you can use it for C or C++, you can use it for Java and everything else. So after you download Visual Studio Code and Python, you need to set your environment variable